Namaste, this is the class of 7th semester of analysis. Today we will study what is singlet state. A singlet state refers to a system in which all electrons are paired. The net angular moment of the particle in this type of system is zero. Therefore, we can say that the all-over spin quantum number S is zero. So, furthermore, if we take the spectrum of this system, it shows one spectral line and thus got the name singlet state. Moreover, almost all the molecules that we know exist in the singlet state, but the molecular oxygen is an exception. So you can see and compare the singlet, doublet and triplet state in this. There is no unpaired electron in the singlet state. There is one unpaired electron in the double state. There is two unpaired electron in the triple state. So as an example, the simplest possible bound particle pair having singlet state is positronium, which has an electron and positron. These two particles are bound by their opposite electrical charge. Moreover, the pair electron of the system having a singlet state have parallel spring orientation. Next, what is triple state? Triple state of a system describes that the system has two unpaired electrons. The net angular moment of the particle is this type of system is first, therefore the spin quantum number is 1. Moreover, this allows three values of the angular moment as -1, 0 and +1. Hence the spectral line that we obtain for this type of system split into three lines and thus got the name triple state. So you can see here this show the three electronic configuration of the molecule orbital of molecule of oxygen from the left to right. The diagram are of one so 1 delta G singlet oxygen first excited state to 1 sigma plus G singlet oxygen second excited state and 3 sigma negative G triplet oxygen state ground state. So you can see the further the best example of triplet state is the molecules of oxygen at room temperature. This molecule of oxygen gives threefold split in the spectral line. So let's see what is the difference between singlet and triplet state. A singlet state refers to a system in which all the electrons are paired, whereas the triplet state of a system describes that the system has two unpaired electrons. The key difference between singlet and the triplet state is that singlet state shows only one spectral line, whereas triplet state shows the threefold splitting of spectral line. Moreover, a further difference between singlet and triplet state is that the spin quantum number of a singlet state is s equal to 0 while it is s equal to 1 for the triplet state. Beside all the molecules that we know exist in singlet state except for the molecular oxygen, whereas molecular oxygen occur at triple state. Below informed graphic summarize the difference between singlet and the triplet state. So you can see this graph and you can summarize this. Hope you will understand about the singlet state, double state and triple state. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.